Top hair extension tools every stylist should have in their kit. Hair extensions are one of the most profitable salon services today. But flawless results don't depend on hair quality alone. They depend on having the right hair extension tools. Stylists who invest in a professional hair extension toolkit work faster, install extensions more securely, and deliver a better client experience. Whether you specialize in tape-ins, keratin bonds, or micro-links, having the right tools for hair extensions is essential for professional results. This guide covers every must-have hair extension installation tool, including insider tips most blogs never mention. https://top-hair-extension-tools/ #RawHairLuxury, #hair extensions tools, #tape in hair extension.